Good day guys, and this is day 13 of Build Your Side Business in 21 Days Masterclass, and today you are going to set a way to get paid. Today you are going to create a way whereby people pay you for the product or the service you render. Now your idea is now becoming a real business as you need to be paid. So before you reach the launching threshold, you need to determine the easiest way to get paid. Now, I need you to get this straight. Let no one shame you that you demand to be paid your fees. Yet, payments shame you for demanding to be paid your dues. You are in business not for charity, but to make sales and profits. So to make money, you need to create a way to get paid. How will you set up a business and people will find it very difficult for them to pay you? So, and your process of getting paid should not be complicated for your customers to make such payments. So you must ensure that the payment process that you will be creating is not a complicated type. Your customers should have a simplest way of getting paid for goods or services, for paying for their goods or services. Now, remember, I have said it before that you can sell a product or profile a service to people. So your payment process is determined by the type of side business that you have ventured into. While some side business, some business demands that you go digital, some side business you may need to rely on the physical type of payment, which is collecting cash from people. But if you are on to the digital space, the online business, of course, you know that the one of the best way of getting paid is for you to have a digital way of doing that. So, however, irrespective of the type of side business you do, a simple payment process is needed, and this should be followed with a smart invoicing system for your clients. Now, when we talk about invoicing, it's just talking about a kind of a way of affirming the type of payment or the payment that has been made to your business, and of course giving them a proof of payment, so that is invoicing. So if you already have a payment system in place before now, then you are good to go. But if you haven't, then the following payment platform will help you out, because they come with numerous tools to help you get started with setting up your payment. The first payment platform that I feel you need to have is Paystack. So Paystack is one platform that I have used over the years. It is tried and trusted. It is very simple, and it has top-notch, easy to use interface, which helps you to collect payments from people for services or products via a link. So it can also serve as a lead collection system or a lead collection funnel with a robust invoicing tool. So it also has an online store if you need to get or set up one. For example, if you have a product you want to sell and you are looking at creating an online store and you don't have money to set up a website, then Paystack is one website you should. And if you have a website, you can also integrate Paystack into your website, whereby your customer can pay via their card or they can make transfer to your account. So just go to paystack.com and create an account for free. The second platform is Flutterwave. Flutterwave has similar features just like Paystack, so I don't need to bother you with that. It is also easy to use. It has an online store. Your customers can pay via a link that you share with them. The third one is Seller.co. Seller is one platform that smart entrepreneurs, smart side business owner now use now, because it has almost the same feature as Paystack, even much more, because on Seller.co You can host your course on that platform and you can sell that same course via that platform. It's a robust platform and it also has an affiliate framework if you want people to also promote that product or service for you. So seller.co is one platform that I feel you should use. Number 4 is you can decide to get POS terminals so that people can pay via their cards. So we have POS terminals from these fintechs like Kuba, the OPay of this world, the Number of this world, the Money Point, and of course there are some banks that also give POS out for their customers. And I have said it that if you need to open a corporate account with a renowned bank in Nigeria, feel free to reach out to me even after this video and I will help you out with this bank. And of course you can also ask for your POS as you are using it. Then we also have the digital wallet. You may also need to look at digital wallet and accounts. So you can open an account using your Kuda, OPay, Branch, PalmPay, and some of these banks so that your customer can make transfer for goods or service they are buying or they are getting from you. It is very, very crucial. Then of course you can have your normal bank accounts if you want to be serious with it and you are looking at going corporate. Your normal bank account, you can look at banks like UBA, banks like GTB. I use UBA and GTB because they give me the kind of support that I need. So if you need to create a normal bank, I can go to any of these bank branches and ask for assistance. Or if you need to open a corporate account, please feel free to reach out to me. I will help you with getting that done. So I need to also make this as a note that Paystack Flutterwave they are payment processor that can be integrated with your website using what we call the API technology. So also you should also have a payment schedule for your product or service which can entail full payments or before service, partial payment before service, or payment after service. When I talk about payment schedule, I'm talking about you should have a term of payment for your client. At times you can say, I will collect full payment before I give you this service, or I can collect partial payment, or I collect payment after I have given you that service. It depends on the type of business or product you are selling. Then you can also decide. I also advise that you should have a contract template that covers you and protects you and also guides your terms of service. So this document should include what you will do for your clients, how much you'll be paid for that service you want to render, and when you want to get paid. So your payment contract, your contract template should include what you will do for that your client, how much you want to get paid for it, and when you want that money to be paid into your account. So these are some of the things I feel you should do, and I hope this will be of great help to you. So the task of the day is that I want you to decide at least 2 payment methods that you set up to get paid, and I want you to create them on your own. And of course share this with us on the Telegram group. If you have any issue also, let's have it on the Telegram group. So getting paid is one thing that you need to take serious as you journey to launching your business in the next few episodes of this masterclass. So if this video has been beneficial to you, I would love you to share with someone. I would love you to like it, to drop a comment, and of course subscribe and follow this channel. So my name is Shonde Abiola David. People call me Uncle Alikama. I help people get what they want legitimately using the prevailing digital technology. Till I come your way in the next episode. Cheers, bye bye, and God bless you. Thank you.